Are you on the hunt for a simple yet effective way to enjoy barista quality coffee in the comfort of your home? This Tbgenius French Press coffee maker is here to elevate your coffee making experience. This 21-aughts coffee press is perfect for those who appreciate a rich, full-bodied brew without the hassle of complicated machines or expensive coffee shop visits. In this review, we'll explore why the Tbgenius French Press coffee maker is a must-have for any coffee or tea lover. We'll cover its standout features, materials, filtration system, and ease of use, leaving you convinced that this is the coffee press you've been searching for. Why choose the Tbgenius French Press coffee maker? With so many options available, you might be wondering why the Tbgenius French Press stands out. Let's break it down. 1. Affordable. At a price point that won't break the bank, this French press offers excellent value for its high-quality design and materials. 2. Durable. The use of heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel ensures long-lasting use, even with daily brewing. 3. Versatile. Not just for coffee, this press can be used for tea, cold brew, and milk frothing, making it a great all-around kitchen tool. 4. Portable. Its compact size makes it easy to take with you on trips, allowing you to enjoy fresh coffee anywhere you go. 5. User-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned coffee drinker or just starting out, the Tbgenius French Press is simple to use and delivers consistently great results. The first thing you'll notice about the Tbgenius French Press is its sleek, minimalist design. The 21-ounce capacity is ideal for personal use or sharing a cup of freshly brewed coffee with a friend. Its heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe is sturdy and keeps your coffee hot during the brewing process. Unlike cheaper models, this French press is built to last and withstand high temperatures without cracking. The stainless steel frame securing the handle ensures that the glass beaker stays safely in place, even after repeated use. Its innovative base effectively protects the bottom of the glass from contact with the countertop, adding an extra layer of durability. This means you can rest assured that your French press will last, brew after brew. One of the main appeals of the Tbgenius French Press is how easy it is to use. Brewing your coffee is a breeze, even if you're new to French presses. Simply add your ground coffee, pour hot water, stir, wait for about 4 minutes, and press down the plunger. Voila! You have a smooth, aromatic cup of coffee that rivals your local cafe. The simplicity of the process means you can brew like a barista from day one. And it's not just limited to coffee. Whether you enjoy tea or want to froth milk for lattes, this French press is versatile enough to meet your beverage needs. If you've ever used a French press before, you know how frustrating it can be to find coffee grounds in your cup. Luckily, the Tbgenius French Press coffee maker has a 4-level filtration system designed to eliminate this issue. The advanced filtration ensures that no coffee grounds make their way into your cup, leaving you with a deliciously smooth and full-flavored brew. The 4-level filter system consists of multiple layers of steel mesh, each working to refine the coffee before it hits your mug. You'll enjoy the rich taste of freshly brewed coffee without worrying about sediment or grit. One of the biggest problems with many French presses is their durability. Glass that's too thin or poorly constructed can crack easily, especially with daily use. However, the Tbgenius French Press is made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, ensuring that it won't break or let heat escape during brewing. The thickened glass retains heat longer, allowing you to savor your coffee slowly without it going cold too quickly. The frame and plunger are made of high-quality stainless steel, adding to the product's overall durability and resistance to rust. Every part of the French press is designed for long-lasting use, and all components can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning, ensuring a pristine brew every time. One of the most thoughtful additions to this coffee press is its innovative base. This specially designed base isolates the glass beaker from direct contact with surfaces, preventing damage or accidental cracking. It's a small but important feature that enhances the longevity of your coffee maker, allowing you to enjoy it for years to come. The base not only protects the glass, but also adds an element of safety. With the carafe securely resting on a non-slip surface, you won't have to worry about it tipping over or spilling your hot coffee. While the Tbgenius French Press is primarily designed for brewing coffee, Its versatility goes beyond just that. If you're a tea lover, you'll appreciate how well this coffee press handles tea leaves. Fine filtration system easily separates the tea residue, leaving you with the purest flavors. You can also use this press for cold brew coffee or even to froth milk for lattes and cappuccinos. Simply fill the press with warm milk, plunge down the filter slowly, and you'll have perfectly frothed milk for your favorite coffee drink. This makes the Tbgenius French Press a multi-purpose tool in your kitchen, perfect for coffee, tea, and frothy beverages alike. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and stylish French press that can brew the perfect cup of coffee every time, the Tbgenius French Press coffee maker is an excellent choice. With its superior filtration system, durable materials, and versatile functions, it's designed to meet the needs of coffee lovers everywhere. Don't miss out on elevating your coffee experience. Grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.